Welcome to Digital Asset News. Take the top stories in cryptocurrency digital assets and break them down to bite-sized pieces. Today I want to talk to you about how to use your Theta tokens to stake on the Theta network to create a Guardian node and thereby earn T-Fuel. So to go over some requirements, it used to be that you needed 10,000 Theta tokens to start up your Guardian node, but that all changed on December 10th, where they said it only takes 1,000 Theta to start up your Guardian node. So much easier. So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple. You're going to go to thetatoken.org. I will put that link in the description. You're going to scroll down to where it talks about join the network. Theta Guardian node, and we're going to, there's two options, download from Mac OS or Windows or Linux, whatever else. You can do it right here, or click on the Getting Started guide. I recommend just to do that because there's two options when you open that up. You can do a GUI, a graphic user interface, which is what I'll be doing, or if you're a techie, you want to do the command line interface, you can click there. I will not be doing that. I'll be doing the GUI, so I'm going to click. And I'm going to scroll up and it states, please download the latest installation file for Windows, or Mac OS, or Ubuntu, Linux, whatever. So I have a Mac, so I'm going to click on Mac. I'll save it to the desktop, I'll press save. I'll find it on my desktop and I'll open it up. And I'll stick it in applications because I have a Mac. And I'll find on my applications and I'll click on Guardian node. And you say, welcome. There's 4 steps. Create a node, sync, stake, run. So let's press continue. Let's make a password. And let's create a node. And now we're just going to wait for it to totally sync to 100%. Now, right now we're waiting for just a little bit. And this is what we want, deposit stake. Please stake Theta to your Guardian node so it can begin voting on the Theta network. And there's a nice little long hash, and you can copy the clipboard or you can do the QR code to expand, whichever you want to do. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're talking about. So the first thing I want to do is go to my Theta wallet. This you can find at wallet.thetatoken.org. I'm going to link that in the description. If you do not have a Theta wallet or this looks a little bit confusing, no problems. Just go to danteacherscrypto.com. It's my 100% free website. Just log in to the members area after you sign up or if you already have a username and password. And then go to module 5, how do I? It's the very first video. How do I buy Theta? And it's going to walk you through how to buy Theta, how to set up the wallet, how to make things super simple. So I already have that set up. I am going to unlock my wallet. And to do that, I'm going to do 2 things. The key store file and the password, which I'll do right now and probably shut off this video. Okay, so here we are on my Theta wallet. And you notice I got 10,000 whopping Theta, which I have accumulated over a bit of time, so I dollar cost average. And I was waiting for 10,000 because that was the limit for the Guardian node. And of course, they changed it to 1,000, but it's okay. Theta's still a pretty great project. So before I do everything, I had to tell you that you're going to need some T-Fuel. And you don't need that much, like 0.001. And what's great about the Theta wallet is that you're going to click on that. And if you don't have any, you can always get some at SimpleSwap. Again, watch the video that I just talked about over at Dan Teaches Crypto. But for T-Fuel, you can just click on receive. And you can see right here, receive a small amount of T-Fuel on the mainnet. Sure, I'll take a little bit. Click on faucet. And it's going to say you receive a little bit. So great, let's take a look. And I got just enough, 0.0001. That's exactly what I need to stake. So how do I stake this? Well, very simply, up here, wallet, send, receive, stake, we're going to click on stakes. Actually, I'm going to click on Theta and then click on stakes. I'm going to deposit stake. And do I want to be a validator or a guardian? Well, I don't have as much Theta as Google has because they are a validator node. I don't have millions of them. I just got 10,000, so I'm going to click on Guardian node. I'm going to click on Continue. So now, Theta, here's all the tokens that I have. The Guardian node holder summary. That looks familiar. It's the one right over here. So I'm going to copy to clipboard. And I'm just kind of remember, I always try to remember like the last one. So BA01, 0x04 is the first one, BA01. Okay, so I'm going to copy, come over here, and I'm going to paste. And BA001, sure. And the first one, 004. Yes, looks like I'm good. The amount to stake. So I'm going to click on this. I'm just going to go for the whole shebang, 10,000. Why not? Transaction fee. Oh, I only need 0.00001 T-Fuel. Great. I'm going to deposit the stake. And it's going to say, is this correct? Great. Enter the wallet password. And I enter that in. And I'm going to click on confirm and deposit stake. Great. Your transaction is now being processed. So now we can see on here it says stakes 0x04, and if it be, that's me, 10,000, blah, 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 withdraw, no, return height, whatever else. So that is what we want to see. So now what I'm going to do just to verify this is I'm going to go back to the Guardian node, which I downloaded on my computer, and voila, it states right there, stake 10,100, network stake, blah, 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 staker's balance, earnings, Guardian pairs, and so on and so forth. And just so you know, if you ever have to get back there, remember it's an application. So just like my Daedalus wallet hangs in the background, I'm going to have my Guardian node right there. I can always get back to it. And that is it for staking on Theta. Also, if you like that easy video on how to stake on Theta, I've also got another video on how to stake on Cardano. Just head on over to danteachescrypto.com, and at the very top it just says ADA staking. Just click on that. And then very simply just click on wallets or scroll down, whichever you want to do. And there's a nice little video here, about 13 minutes. It'll tell you how to stake your Cardano on Daedalus, Yoroi, or ADA Lite. So hopefully this was a very easy to follow video. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the very end, and I'll see you on the next one.